I got you one.
Man, you ready for that pressure, man? Come on, let's get it.
Bro.
You better get this shit started. How you hating on the nigga and he made it with you? Ooh. Bro, that nigga got high as fuck yesterday. He smoked his first St. Louis blunt. Mark? Mike Johnson smoked his first St. Louis blunt yesterday. Oh, Friday, we went to that. That nigga, I was red as hell. We went to that garden, nigga. I went home and went to sleep. I fucking Friday night. Hey, right there. Yeah. Wait, turn the other way though. Back around. Yeah, nah, nigga's gonna be upside down. I just turn it back around. Yeah, you don't want it to be upside down. It's gonna be. Look at the sun. Hey. I can feel the pain already. Little Mikey, little big head ass little cousin. Nigga for that little blunt. This shit hurt already. They ain't start feeling it yet. This is crazy, man. That's how the Latino bitch be talking. 9,000! 9,000! 9,000! I love when them Latino hoes call my name. 9,000! What's up, vlog world? Let's go! At what time is it, bro? We finna do this shit in like 10 minutes.
It's 2. 2 on the dot.
My girl says it's 2 on the dot. Let's get this shit done in less than 10 minutes. Man. You ain't gonna even feel this, bro. This is some of the best equipment. Ah, shit. Ah! Reaction boss. I'm feeling that motherfucker, boy. Y'all talking about I ain't gonna feel the shit. I'm feeling that. Boy, you don't feel shit, boy. I'm feeling that, vlog, bro. Motherfucking reaction boss. You just having a reaction, nigga. I'm just having a reaction, y'all. It's just a reaction. It's just a reaction. It's just a reaction, vlog, bro. Sheesh. Shabazz. Oh my god, man. Hey, nah, this nigga real ass nigga for coming all the way down here to get tatted, bro. That nigga that came through three different states could have stopped at any motherfucking stinking ass white boy shop. Ah, we gotta come to 9,000 tabs, bro. No racism. Support black business, you hear me? We have to put up to 9,000 tabs, bro. Support black business, man. We all we got. Yeah. Big bro, because you was never gonna get tatted. Now I got a son, I gotta get him tatted on me. I gotta get my mama tatted. I ain't gonna tap y'all. This shit, it's hurt, it stings. It don't hurt, it just stings. But I fuck with this thing, I fuck with this thing. Free my motherfucking daddy, man. There you go. Yeah, that one kinda hurt. Oh. Yep, you said all the way to Texas and fuck your bitch. He said, nigga, what? His son looks just like you. That might be my oldest boy. Hey, Mikey, that's my oldest boy, man. You ain't even know it. He got 2 daddies. We going to Mari show. Hey. Tell me. Hey. That's an E, right? Listen, nigga, I'm a lion.
You ran into the bait.
Reaction bars, bro. That's to get it.
They called me to get this money.
Shit. You know you can't be on the phone too long. You know you're gonna run.
Yeah, but I ain't gonna leave.
Pussy boy, you get the
Man, this
pitch.
shit literally took 10 minutes, boy. Por favor. Una momento. It's not una momento. It's una momento.
Alright, now that was the first little layer for me to go over. And the second layer I'm gonna go over it to make it extra thick and make it extra black. And then we're gonna be done.
Look at her. Ah, shit, man.
I'm rubbing off on you.
What? You rubbing off on me?
Yeah.
I can't know.
The second one hit. The second one hitting different. Yeah, I'm feeling that motherfucker now. Ah.
Yeah, this thing already there.
The second one hitting different. How much layers are you giving it? How much layers are you giving it? 2?
Yeah.
Okay. See me on the camera, baby. Come to me. Put it like under my, like put it like it's on my. Yep. There you go. I'm going on the other side too. Get 9 toes going around me on the other side. Get that.
Do the time with right now.
I can't take your word, I'm just going off everything you show me. Let's be loud, all I need. Double cup of weed, the only thing that stops me. Slow me up, cause I've been going through it.
Ooh.
It look good. It look good, girlfriend. What's your reaction? You gotta give us that.
Love it.
Loving it. Shit. I'm feeling that motherfucker now, boy. No cap.
Tell him it's
He's only done 2.
what it
He
feel
almost
like.
done.
A cat lick from hell. That's all they is. Little cat lick from hell. Now when we rich, nigga, don't forget that moment.
Never, nigga. Never.
And in fact, I'm telling the whole game, nigga. Everybody gotta get a face tat fucking with me.
What's the reaction?
Hey, you know what I want to get tatted though? I want to get my forehead tatted.
Look at your face.
I'm my mama. I want to get a 9 on my motherfucking forehead. I don't give a fuck. Why they gonna call me? Why they gonna say, why you put that 9 on your
Reaction
forehead?
boss, JC. I'm getting a reaction boss. That is JC. You talking about? Sheesh.
I ain't gonna lie though, that bitch look perfect, nigga.
I fuck with it, boy.
Reaction.
That got a whole meaning behind it. Nigga, you don't even understand.
I can't show no weed, guys. Even though I got my medical marijuana card.
Bro, rap or song, bro. Rap. Man, rap no play the pum pum beating, please, my nigga. God damn. Rap that motherfucker.
Pull up with that boom boom thing. Girl with that fat ass with that motherfucking G-string. Some black, some light skin.
JC said she thought she would see the day. You seen it, JC. You see the day. Yes, sir. Turn that motherfucker up. Yeah. That shit coming out December, people. We finna turn it up. Shit.
Okay.
I got reaction. Simple satisfaction. All about that action. That about that action.
Yes, the fuck it is. Fuck yeah, I thought. The word pussy. Oh shit. The word pussy means Pokemon. Yeah, JC. Woo! We almost there, reaction gang. We almost there. We almost there. We almost there. We almost there. Man, why ain't hear the song, man? Wait, stop the song, nigga.
Stand out and connect with customers
Yes,
on
sir.
Twitter by claiming your free
Reaction boss.
Reaction. Bumbuckler boss. Ah!
Now what about that reaction?
business profile today.
Don't play with it. Don't play with it.
Yes, sir.
Don't play with it. 9,000 tats. Hit him up on Instagram. Let me pin this shit right now.
Get up on the ground, of course.
9, 1, 2, 3. Boy.
Hey.
Man, type your Instagram right there, bro. Shit. Y'all better subscribe, man. January 1st, we back. This is gonna be my intro. I ain't gonna play with y'all. This is my new intro. January 1st, we posting 3 to 5 videos per day.
Nah, dead ass.
No, I do that. I really do that.
Nah, like dead ass. I'm on that shit with you,
I
bro.
love it.
I'll turn this motherfucker around so they can see my ugly.
9,000.
Yeah, boy, we on that shit. If your bitch gon' trip, then the feds got it. That's some motherfucking money, man.
I gotta do that into the camera and shit. Yeah.
I'm outie. Say bye, vlog.
Hey, cut the vlog.